Meet Bruno. We find ourselves in the fast-paced realm of a tech powerhouse called, wait for it, technically speaking. Bruno is a dedicated, experienced, and incredibly ambitious product manager. Bruno was gifted with an innate ability to understand user needs and recently was entrusted with the important task of enhancing the mobile app experience for his company. Uh-oh, but guess what? Roadblocks. Bruno soon realized a roadblock loomed in his path. How can he actually gather actionable feedback and insights from the app's users in a timely manner? He thought to himself, right? And Bruno, because of his vast knowledge and experience, knew the importance of user feedback to drive meaningful product improvements. And although traditional methods like email surveys were a proven method for such feedback, they were ultimately limited when it came to capturing real time user insights. Bruno thought about it and knew what he needed: a solution that could seamlessly integrate with the mobile app while at the same time allowing him to reach users at the right moment and collect feedback on the fly. The solution. Luckily for Bruno, one sunny day, he came across Survicate mobile app surveys, a specialized customer insights tool designed specifically for mobile applications. He quickly began using Survicate mobile surveys and saw that he could engage with customers directly within the app to collect valuable insights. Basically, he struck gold. Sure enough, he started triggering surveys based on events, allowing him to collect contextual feedback. Moreover, he quickly learned that he could also run recurring surveys as well to gather continuous streams of insights. There was no stopping Bruno at this point, as you could imagine. He knew what he wanted and he was hungry for more. So he started experimenting with different ways in which he could gather insights. First up, triggering surveys in different ways. For example, you can trigger mobile app surveys in a way that they instantly show when a user lands on a specific screen. Or if you want, your surveys can be triggered based on specific events or actions within the app, such as completing a purchase. For example, you can bust out a customer effort score survey and ask, how easy or difficult was it for you to complete a purchase? Allowing you to immediately gauge customer experience levels. By asking targeted questions about the purchase experience, product quality, or customer service, your business can obtain valuable feedback and turn that into actionable insights, helping you identify areas for improvement for the future. Next up, one of my favorites. Because Bruno's company, technically speaking, is worldwide, he made full use of the multilingual feature for his mobile app surveys. You can speak the customer's language, literally. The new translation features makes surveying your ever-expanding audience basically a breeze. So you can create surveys in as many languages as you need, breaking the language barrier and reaching a global audience with ease. The best part is, you can either choose to translate your survey manually or take advantage of the convenience of Google Translate. Something worth mentioning regarding Google Translate, the good news is that you are not bound to that translation, meaning you can always go back and edit that as well. All right, now moving along, here's something that blew Bruno's mind. The app language of respondents is automatically detected, ensuring that each survey appears in the customer's preferred language. And if you're wondering, but hey, what if the translation isn't available? Well, then the viewer simply sees the original version and we all live happily ever after. Next up, we have targeted insights. By tailoring surveys to specific audiences, Bruno can gather targeted insights that are relevant to each group. This allows for a deeper understanding of the specific needs, preferences, and experiences of that particular group. At the same time, they help you uncover pain points and opportunities that will most definitely vary across different audience segments, enabling Bruno and his company to make more informed and precise decisions going forward. Recalling, or answer piping, as we like to call it here. This is a great way to make your mobile app surveys more interactive and personalized because you can reference information from previous questions or user attributes. Here's what I mean. Let's say Bruno creates a survey, right? And the first question asks respondents for their names. In the following question, you can recall the information that they provided and address them by their name. It's just a little something special you can add to your surveys, making respondents truly feel value and engage throughout the survey. Hopefully, this little story gave you a nice picture of why Bruno was head over heels when he discovered all the wonderful things he could do with Survicate mobile app surveys and the tremendous impact it had on business growth. I'll try to bring all this information home and actually expand a little more on some of the features discussed during the use case examples. Here's why businesses love our mobile app surveys. Number one, seamless integration. Uh, our mobile app surveys seamlessly integrate with mobile applications, providing frictionless and uninterrupted feedback experience for users. And to put the cherry on top, as they say, right? The surveys can be embedded within the app interface, avoiding the need for external survey platforms. Awesome. What else? Customizable survey design. A little something for everyone. We offer flexible and customizable survey design options, allowing your business to tailor the surveys to their specific needs and branding. This includes created targeted questions, choosing from various question types, so like rating scale, single choice, NPS, CSAT, and more. Besides the option to add your company logo or avatar, recently our mobile app surveys have been completely transformed with a fresh, modern design and 21 customizable color themes, making them far more readable, easier to navigate, and simple for your respondents to answer. This means engaged participants, more responses, and incredible insights. Next up, I wanted to go over once again the multilingual support. As mentioned earlier, Bruno's story, our mobile app surveys support multiple languages, allowing you to engage with users across different regions and language preferences, ensuring a global reaching. Actionable analytics, basically, once you've got all your hard-earned feedback, our analytics and reporting features enable your business to derive actionable insights from the survey data. Data visualization tools, segmentation options with our advanced filter options and capabilities, allowing to uncover patterns, trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve and grow your business overall. And last but not least, we have survey personalization. And in this case, I'm referring to the recalling and answer piping. Sergey will demonstrate this in a little bit, but basically this feature lets you insert respondents' answers into survey questions, allowing you to automatically use their answers in follow-up questions. It's an incredible way to personalize the customer's journey as they make their way through your surveys.